Hey friends, I'm Sophia, and today we're diving into something super important: how nutrition plays a major role in healing. Whether you're recovering from an injury, post-surgery, or just trying to feel your best, what you eat can make a huge difference. Let's break it down. Healing isn't just about taking meds or doing rehab exercises. Your body is constantly working behind the scenes, rebuilding tissue, reducing inflammation, and fighting off illness. And guess what powers that entire process? Food. When you fuel your body with the right nutrients, you're giving it the tools it needs to recover faster and better. Here are some of the MVPs when it comes to healing nutrition. Protein. Builds and repairs tissue. Think chicken, fish, eggs, and beans. Omega-3s. Found in salmon, flax seeds, walnut. Great for fighting inflammation. Vitamin C. Helps with collagen and immune health. Citrus, peppers, broccoli. Zinc. Speeds up wound healing. Try pumpkin seeds, lentils, or cashews. And of course, water. Hydration helps your body absorb those nutrients and flush out the waste. But here's the thing, just like some foods help you heal, some can slow you down. Too much sugar, highly processed foods, and alcohol. These can all increase inflammation and mess with your recovery. So what can you do? Start by asking yourself, am I eating to fuel my healing? Small changes make a big difference. Add more whole foods, eat colorful veggies, and stay hydrated. Cut back on junk and listen to your body. Healing isn't just something that happens to you, it's something that you can actively support. And it starts with what's on your plate. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's on their healing journey, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, your plate has power.